Okay guys, our topic for now is I will teach you the proper way of retrieving a data loss or corruption. Okay, first go to your files, then search some files. For example, for gallery, go to gallery, click a go to pictures, click a picture. After that, go to properties and previous version. So there are no previous versions available. So second option, type CMD. Click command prompt. Right click, run as administrator. Yes. Then type check this space C semicolon then slash R. Then click enter. Then type after that type MI UMIC then enter. Okay, your status will okay, and the third way is to in the last but not the least. So you can type CFC space slash Sankino. I open this one. Click enter. Okay. That was the easiest and short tutorial. That would be all. Thank you everyone.